Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be solving Math Kangaroo 2022 puzzles for grade 1 and 2. This is my second video of the series for part B, which carries 4 points. Get your thinking caps on and let's have some fun. Ready? Let's go. Problem 7. A koala, fox, ostrich, kangaroo and puppy are sleeping in 5 baskets. One animal sleeps in each of the baskets. These are our baskets. The koala and the fox are sleeping in baskets with the same pattern and shape. The kangaroo and ostrich have the same pattern on their baskets. Which basket is the puppy sleeping in? These are our options. So we have to find out which basket is puppy sleeping in. Let's expand this image so that we can see it clearly. Now for this kind of question, we will follow along the problem. So the problem says, the koala and the fox are sleeping in baskets with the same pattern and the shape. So we have this basket and this basket of the same pattern and same shape. So we have koala or fox sleeping in here, and the same for this koala or fox sleeping in this basket. The second clue says the kangaroo and ostrich have the same pattern on their baskets. So it refers to the same pattern, but it does not say the color or any shape of it. So we see there are two baskets, basket 1 and basket 3 have the same pattern. So what it means? It means kangaroo or ostrich sleeping in this basket 1 and kangaroo and ostrich sleeping in here. Now, which basket is the puppy sleeping in? We have only one basket left, that is basket 5. So puppy is sleeping in basket 5. So our option is option E, basket 5. Problem 8. Kangna wants to reach the koala without going through any of the squares with colors on them. So this is the square we have. So this is Kanga and this is koala. So Kanga wants to reach to koala and he does not want to walk on any of the colored patches. Which route could she take? So these are our options. So Kanga starts 1 arrow here, 2 arrow here. So now we go on and check our options. So all the options has 2 arrows. We cannot reach to any conclusion. So let's move on. 2 more steps up. So we have all again till here. You see all are having 2 arrows up. Now we move on 1 arrow and we see this is up. That is wrong. We eliminated. That is right. That is right. That is right. And option E again goes away. Now we move 1 more arrow here. So we need to have 2 arrows along. So we are out of this. So we have 2 arrows coming along on this B, C and D options. Now we have 2 options. Either a kanga can go this way or it can go this way. So let's see which option meets these 2 options. So we have option B goes this way. So that could be possible and that goes up and that goes up. So there are 2 options which goes up. Now let's go 1 more up. So we matches with 1 more up. And then we have 1, 2 and 3 towards the right. So we have 1, 2, 3 goes right. We have 1 goes there, but then it moves up towards up. No, this is not possible. So we take out this option B. We have option D, which is coming towards left. This is not right. So our answer is option C. Problem 9. N has 4 stickers as shown: circle, squares, star and triangle. She sticks down the star after she sticks down the square. She sticks down the star after she sticks down the circle. Which route could she take? These are our options. She puts square. She puts a square before a star. So this is our star. She puts star before circle. So this is our circle. Now this is the order it describes. Now let's go into the option and check which one represents this. So we need to have a circle first. So we need to have a circle first, then a star and a square, and a triangle could be at any place, here, here or here, any place. Now let's start. So we need to have first circle. So these are two options which represents this. And then we have a star. This one has a square. That is incorrect. So this has a star and then this has a triangle, can be any place, and then a square. So this follows this train. So our answer is option C. Problem 10. Dino moves from the entrance to the exit by going through rooms. He can only go through each room once. This is the pathway which Dino has to go from entrance to exit. Dino adds up the numbers as he passes through each room. What is the highest total Dino can make? These are our options. So let's have Dino walk through this pathway. So we start from here. There are two ways. Can go through this or this. So we'll go to the maximum number, the biggest number. So we'll go 5. And then we go to 6. We would not go to 2 because it's a small number. Let's go to 7. Now there are two ways to get out. To get 8 or to get through 3, 4 and 8. So we need to collect more numbers. So we go 3, we go 4, we go 8 and we come out. This is our exit path. So what we have 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8. That equals to 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 22 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 8 gives us 34. So we have answer is 34, which is our option D. 34. Problem 11. Some shapes are drawn on a piece of paper. The teacher folded the paper along the red line. How many of the shapes on the left will fall exactly on top of a shape on the right? Teacher will fold this paper on top of it and we have to find how many shapes will exactly fall on top of each shape. Now what we see is that when we turn from here, the image should be reverse. So if we have gone arrow towards left, that arrow should be right. So this image should fall exactly on top of it. This is again, the triangle is reverse. So this will fall on top of it. This is coming down. This will fall exactly on top of it. This circle is in the different grid. If it's supposed to be here, then it should have fallen. So this shape would not fall on top of it. Triangle. This is exactly on the same side. If it be reverse like this, it should have fallen. So this is also not the shape which will fall on top of this shape. So how many shapes we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So our answer is option C, 3. Problem 12. Catherine built a path around each square using tiles like the one shown. So these are the tiles shown and Catherine has built square along with us. How many tiles does she use around the square with side 5? So this is a sample tile which has 2 on the side and 1 as a width. So let's draw these tiles on this square. And let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we have 12 in total. So our answer is option C, 12. So with this, we wrap up part B for grade 1 and 2. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel and follow part C of the same series. Thank you.